AI is transforming YouTube automation rapidly. YouTube automation with AI is revolutionizing how creators build, manage, and grow their channels. It uses artificial intelligence to handle repetitive tasks like content research, script writing, video creation, editing, SEO optimization, and even scheduling uploads. This allows creators to focus on strategy and audience engagement while AI does the heavy lifting. The process starts with AI analyzing trending topics, identifying high-ranking keywords, and generating script ideas. Next, AI video tools convert these scripts into professional-looking videos with voiceovers, animations, and subtitles. These tools also optimize thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to increase visibility. By integrating AI-powered scheduling, creators can maintain a consistent posting rhythm without manual effort. Top 5 applications for creating AI videos. VizmoCreate generates ultra-realistic AI avatars with natural expressions for faceless videos. FrameShift Studio offers cinematic AI-driven transitions and motion graphics for storytelling. VoxNova AI creates multilingual voiceovers with regional accents for global audiences. ClipMorpher automatically repurposes long videos into shorts with perfect pacing. SceneForge X builds 3D animated scenes for educational or explainer videos instantly. Pros saves time by automating repetitive tasks. Enhances creativity with innovative video styles, provides data-driven decisions through analytics, enables scalability for multiple channels, increases global reach through multilingual content. Cons: over-reliance may reduce personal connection with viewers. Some AI tools have high subscription costs, requires human supervision to avoid repetitive content. Limited originality compared to fully human-created videos. YouTube automation with AI is not about replacing creators, but empowering them. By combining AI efficiency with human creativity, you can build a thriving channel faster and smarter.